What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video and or a live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some big news today. We've kind of talked about this over the last few weeks since the next generation Toyota Tundra has arrived, but today we are going to talk about pretty much the official release of the TRD lift kit for the 2022 Tundra. SEMA is this week, and they are showcasing for the next few days this lift kit and some of the accessories you could do to the upcoming Toyota Tundra that you may buy. You will see it is the Toyota Tundra Limited in red with the TRD off-road package that we've been seeing for the last few weeks in a lot of the release videos of the Toyota Tundra. But this thing looks great. This lift kit will allow you to put 35-inch tires on your Toyota Tundra. Now, as you guys know, I'm kind of between two Tundras in what I want to do, TRD Pro or 1794 with the TRD off-road package. Well, this lift kit may push me to that 1794 because in a moment you will see how great it actually looks. So I'm going to show you some pictures of what the truck looks like from Toyota, and we're going to read the press release, and you can make your decisions on if you want to go the TRD Pro route or if you want this 3-inch TRD kit because it looks amazing. Check it out. Toyota brings lifted, accessorized, all-new 2022 Tundra to SEMA. Toyota, long known for its deep off-roading truck and SUV roots, today showed off the all-new third-generation 2022 Tundra full-size pickup with a bevy of accessories that will be offered in dealerships across the country after the truck goes on sale, including a new 3-inch lift kit. On display at the 2021 SEMA show's new West Hall entrance at the Las Vegas Convention Center, Toyota based the lifted and accessorized Tundra on a supersonic red 2022 Tundra Limited with the TRD off-road package. It features the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces a healthy 389 horsepower and 479 foot-pounds of torque. The TRD off-road package provides a slew of off-road upgrades that help enhance off-pavement driving, such as multi-terrain select, crawl control that functions as a low-speed off-road cruise control with 5 selectable speeds, downhill assist control, and an electronic rear differential lock. On and off-road upgrades typically are high on many truck buyers' list when shopping for their ideal truck for work and play. Customization is important to many truck owners, and Tundra customers will be thrilled to know we will have well over 100 accessories available, said Lisa Matarazzo, Group Vice President, Toyota Division Marketing. Our accessories team has been busy working on these great products, and what better place to show them off than SEMA? Accessorizing and personalization is a big part of the truck culture, and Toyota will offer a large collection of genuine Toyota and TRD upgrades that enhance and complement the new Tundra's aggressive styling. The 2022 lifted and accessorized Tundra features the new TRD lift kit that provides a 2.6 inches of additional ground clearance and increases the approach, departure, and breakover angles by 5 degrees, 1 degree, and 2 degrees respectively. Other installed accessories include a TRD skid plate, TRD cast aluminum running boards, a bed extender, a dash camera, 2 swing-out storage boxes in the bed, a Tundra bed mat, a folding hard tonneau cover, TRD off-road wheel and tire package with black lugs, and even a console safe. Toyota is displaying 6 additional build concepts showcasing off and on pavement performance and adventure in its exhibit at the Las Vegas Convention Center, November 2nd through 5th, 2021. Now, as we look at this side profile shot, I gotta tell you, I'm falling in love with this Limited. I really like the red, but with the black TRD wheels and that lift, everything comes together nicely, especially with that aggressive 35-inch tire on there. It's nice and leveled out. There's not a lot of chrome going on. There's a little bit, but nothing too insane. I already like the Limited with the TRD off-road package, and this kind of just pushes me in that direction even more. It's good to have a nice warranted lift kit available from Toyota, but overall the look is definitely there with this lift kit. Definitely a big enhancement. As we go over to the front shot, the truck looks ultra aggressive. This is what happens when you have the right tire on there. It just turns everything around for the truck. Even the front end looks better. I know a lot of you guys aren't a big fan of the new front end, but everything comes together really nicely with this lift. Just a great looking truck and a great looking profile. That's the overall, the stance of it and everything. It's meant to be. So you'll have to tell me what you think in the comments below on that, especially with the way this truck looks with the TRD wheels. Those are 20-inch TRD wheels, and they look great. But overall, I'm just excited to see that Toyota came out with a lift kit. The TRD Pro is awesome. It's been around for a while now. We love it. But the pricing is insane. To know that Toyota is listening to us, that we want accessories for these trucks, is amazing. So you could take your Tundra, you can go to your local dealership and order a TRD lift kit. How awesome is that? And then get a 3-inch lift from Toyota, engineered by the folks at Toyota and TRD. And then you get the warranty and you're protected by it. So that's even cooler. And to fit a 35-inch tire from a suspension kit available from the manufacturer is amazing to me. So you got to let me know, are you guys excited about this? Is this something you're interested in? I'm pretty sure everyone who's going to be buying a 2022 Tundra that's not a Pro is going to be going for this lift kit right here, but I can't wait to hear what you guys think. There's some other stuff that came out of SEMA. We'll talk about that in the next video. I figured the most important stuff versus like a desert running Tundra, which looks awesome, would be the stuff that you guys can buy. This is what we want to see. This is the stuff that we want to hear about, that you'll be able to accessorize your Tundra through Toyota and TRD with over 100 parts, as they say, but especially this lift kit. This is the important stuff. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.